This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Marina del Rey, here to talk to you about cheek augmentation. That's this region here. It's a very common area for us to augment. It used to be back in the old days, we would do it surgically with cheek implants, typically through the inside of the mouth or as part of a facelift surgery when we had the skin elevated. That's no longer necessary to do. We have a great injectable currently called Juvederm Voluma. It lasts about 2 years. It's relatively painless, and if you don't like it, you can reverse it immediately with another little injection, although in my experience everybody loves it, at least when we do it here. Basically what it does is it augments this area. It needs to be done artistically and well, but what that can do is improve the overall aesthetics of the face. It can reverse some of the aging and slimming that some patients will get as they're getting older. It can actually give a little bit of lift to the cheek, into the nasolabial folds in this area, and it can improve the overall aesthetics of a face pretty substantially with no downtime and very low risk. Juvederm Voluma is my favorite for augmenting the cheek area. Along those lines, it's also important to consider down below in this area, in the lower cheek. In some patients, especially those with rounder, fuller faces, they will consider doing buccal fat pad reductions. What that means is through the inside of the mouth, through a tiny little incision, we can remove some of the fat in this area here to give somebody a more angular shape. On me, that would be a bad idea because I have a more slender face, but on somebody with a puffier face and full cheeks in that area, somebody who looks overweight even when they're not, it can be an excellent procedure to give them an overall more defined facial anatomy. It's complementary with cheek augmentation to reduce the buccal fat pads. And it also can be frequently combined with a chin augmentation and liposuction under the neck. That's a great cluster of procedures that has minimal downtime, high impact with beautiful natural results. This is Dr. David Stoker speaking to you about cheek augmentation and buccal fat pad reduction.